Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in to Party Girl Creative Studio. So in this tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to design your Capri Sun labels in little to no time at all. I know it's important for us to save as much time as we can when we can. So I think you guys are gonna really like this tutorial because time is money, and the more time we have, the more money we can make. So the first thing we're gonna do is pull up a chip bag design that we've already created. Now I know I spend a lot of time on the chip bag design alone. So when I get to my other templates, I want to spend no time at all creating those labels. So what I typically do is I use my chip bag design. So if you have your chip bag design pulled up, you can save it as a PNG. Okay. Now that it's saved, now we're going to go over to one of our word processing programs, whether that be Microsoft Word or Microsoft Publisher or another program that you have. You can pretty much use anything. I prefer Publisher because it gives me a lot of options when I'm laying out my design. So what I like to do is go here, bring my chip bag design into Publisher. What I'm going to do is just crop it down to what I see works. Crop it down a little bit. And there is our Capri Sun label, and all we have to do is make sure that our image is the correct size of the template. So we're going to make sure that it is 5 inches tall by 3.5 inches wide. Now if you would like to add your punch hole circle, you can do that as well. I don't typically do it, but I'll do it here as an example. Then you have your hole there, and all you have to do is copy and paste. And there you have your Capri Sun labels ready to go in zero to little time at all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Party Girl Creative Studios. I hope this tutorial will help you guys so much. And I hope this tutorial will help you guys save a lot of time in the future when designing your Capri Sun labels. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.